Good evening everybody. In earlier video I have discussed about the reflection of light, laws of reflection and image and types of image. जैसा कि मैंने आपको फर्स्ट डे ही बताया था कि जब सिलेबस की स्टार्टिंग की थी तो मैंने कहा था कि लाइट से रिलेटेड दो इम्पॉर्टेंट फेनामेना हमको पढ़ने हैं. एक हमें रिफ्लेक्शन पढ़ना है, एक हमें रिफ्रैक्शन पढ़ना है. रिफ्लेक्शन के जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने आपको बता दिया. उसी में मैंने आपको बताया था कि रिफ्लेक्शन थ्रू मिरर पढ़ना है और रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू लेंस पढ़ना है. तो अभी मैंने रिफ्रैक्शन तो पढ़ा नहीं है, तो आज हम एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसे मिरर कहते हैं. और यहीं से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कि व्हाट इज द मिरर. मिरर मीन्स होता है, सभी लोग जानते हैं कि अगर हिंदी वर्ड में कहें कि दर्पण. एंड एवरीबडी यूज द मिरर and show his face on the mirror. But what is the mirror? Simply you will differentiate between glass and mirror. And when you see the glass but you do not see your image in a glass. But when you polish the surface of glass, then you are able to see your face, your image in a glass. So we can say that what is the mirror? Mirror, if we take a piece of glass and polished one surface with the help of red oxide or silver, then it is called the mirror. If we take a piece of glass and polished one surface with the help of red oxide or silver, then it is called mirror. तब ये क्या कहलाएगा? मिरर. एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मिरर are of two types. Types. One, plain mirror. Second one is spherical mirror. What is the plain mirror? Everybody know that if we take a plain piece of glass, plain mirror, what is the plain mirror? If we take a plain piece of mirror and polished one surface with silver or red oxide, then it is called plain mirror. If we take a plain piece of glass, not a mirror, plain piece of glass and polished one surface with silver or red oxide, then it is called plain mirror. For example, you understand by the picture, that is the plain piece of glass and polished one surface with red oxide or silver. This is the polished surface and that is the reflected surface. Reflecting surface. Second one is that spherical mirror. What is the spherical mirror? If we take a hollow sphere of glass. What is the spherical mirror? If we take a spherical piece of hollow sphere of glass and polished one surface with the help of red oxide or silver, then it is called spherical mirror. So the basic difference between plane mirror and spherical mirror is that if we take a plain piece of glass and polished one surface with the help of red oxide or silver, then it is called plane mirror. And if we take a spherical piece of hollow sphere of glass and polished one surface with help of red oxide or silver, then it is called a spherical mirror. For example, you understand with the help of this diagram. Suppose that this is the piece of hollow sphere of glass and it is cut with 2 points and polished one surface, but here you polish the outer surface and here you polish the inner surface. On the basis of polishing of surface, spherical mirror are of two types, that is the concave mirror and that is the convex mirror, and both two mirror is called spherical mirror. In this way, on the basis of polishing of surface, the spherical mirror are of two types. One is concave and other one is convex. This is the polished surface and this is the reflecting surface. Now we start to detail study about the spherical mirror, and everybody note this point. That is very important topic, types of spherical mirror. Types of spherical mirror. Spherical mirror are of two types. First one is that convex mirror. Second one is concave mirror. What is the convex mirror? That is very important. Convex mirror. Those spherical mirror in which inner side is polished and outer surface act as reflecting surface are called convex mirror. You will observe this mirror in this picture. For example, this is the hollow sphere of glass and it cut into two pieces. Here I mentioned that inner side is polished. Polished किसका होगा? That is red oxide or silver. That is the polished surface, and outer surface is act as reflecting surface or called convex mirror. So that is what? Polished surface, and that is what? Reflecting surface. that is the reflecting surface, and it is the picture of what? Convex mirror. Now I will discuss about what? Concave mirror. Now I will discuss about the concave mirror, that is the number 2 point, concave mirror. What is the concave mirror? Those spherical mirror in which outer surface is polished with red oxide or silver or coal, and inner surface act as reflecting surface or call concave mirror. You will understand with diagram, that is the hollow sphere of glass. It cut into two pieces and outer surface is polished. Inner surface is act as what? Inner surface is act as reflecting surface. Then it is called concave mirror. So basic difference between convex and concave mirror is that, suppose that it is your hand and you make your hand palm bit in this way, and if you polished on this surface, then inner surface is act as reflecting surface, then it is called concave mirror. And if you polished in this surface, then this surface is act as reflecting surface, then it is called a convex mirror. So today I have discussed about spherical mirror, plane mirror, and types of spherical mirror. Tomorrow, next time, I will discuss about the some important definition with spherical mirror. सभी बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से अपना ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स कंप्लीट रखेंगे। लाइक के यूनिट में आप अपना कंपास है, इरेजर है, शार्पनर है, पेंसिल है, इन सभी चीज़ों के साथ आप स्टडी के लिए बैठेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।